In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness on this Redmi. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now click on display section, tap on brightness level, and click on this switcher next to automatic brightness to turn it off or on. You can also go into tab menu and click on auto brightness shortcut to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!